Learn English through stories. The Weaver's Secret. In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there was a renowned weaver named Asha. Her tapestries were celebrated far and wide, each thread woven with such skill that they seemed to tell stories of their own. Yet, there was one thing about Asha that remained a mystery to everyone. She never taught anyone her craft. One day, a young girl named Leela, fascinated by Asha's work, mustered the courage to ask the weaver for guidance. "Please, Asha," she implored, "teach me how to weave like you. I want to create beautiful tapestries too." Asha looked at Leela with kind eyes and said, "I can teach you the basics, but the true secret lies beyond technique. You must discover it for yourself." Leela eagerly accepted and began her apprenticeship. She learned to spin threads, to dye them with vibrant colors, and to interlace them into intricate patterns. But despite her efforts, her tapestries never seemed to capture the magic that Asha's did. Frustrated, Leela sought Asha's advice once more. "Why can't I achieve the same beauty in my work?" Asha replied gently, "The secret is not in the weaving itself, but in what you weave into it." Determined to uncover the secret, Leela decided to travel to the heart of the forest, where she had heard there was an ancient, mystical tree known for its wisdom. After days of trekking, she finally reached the tree and asked, "What is the secret to weaving beauty into my tapestries?" The tree, in a deep, resonant voice, answered, "To weave beauty, you must weave love. Find joy and kindness in your heart, and let them guide your hands." Leela returned to the village, reflecting deeply on the tree's words. She began to weave not just with her hands, but with her heart. She infused her tapestries with the joy of helping others, the love she felt for her family, and the kindness she saw in the world around her. As time went on, Leela's tapestries transformed. They were no longer just beautiful, they were alive with the emotions and stories of her heart. Villagers marveled at how her work seemed to glow with an inner light, and they spoke of it with wonder. One day, a young weaver from another village came to see Leela. "Your tapestries are incredible," she said. "Can you teach me how to make them like yours?" Leela smiled and replied, "I can show you the techniques, but the true secret is something you must find within yourself. Infuse your work with love, and you will create beauty beyond imagination." The moral of the story is that true artistry and beauty come not from technical skill alone but from the love and emotion we pour into our work. What we create reflects who we are and what we feel, And it is this inner essence that makes our creations truly unique and meaningful.